Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Time to climb. Do you like to climb, hang, swing, and slide at the playground? These places to play have a history as fun as they are. The history of playgrounds. As you read, think about how playgrounds have changed over time. Is recess the best part of your day? You may be surprised to learn that kids haven't always had playgrounds where they can swing, slide, and climb. The play problem. The story starts about 200 years ago, in the 1800s. At that time, many families were moving from the country to the city. Kids in the country had plenty of space to play. In the rural places where they lived, they could play in forests and fields. But kids in the city didn't have forests or fields. In the urban places where they lived, they had to play in the street or in empty lots. That wasn't always safe. A place to play. So playgrounds were invented. The first playgrounds were built in cities in the 1800s. They had tall metal things to climb. Some of them were as high as a two-story building. Kids loved them. Soon people started building playgrounds in other parts of the country. They built them in rural areas and in suburban areas outside cities. New ways to play. Over time, playgrounds changed. The things to climb weren't as tall. They were made of wood, plastic, and rubber. They were safer to land on if you tripped and fell. Playgrounds got more colorful and fun, too. Kids could play on rockets, ships, or castles. Playgrounds have changed a lot since the 1800s, but they are still great places to play. By Blair Rainsford. Playgrounds through the years. 1880s to 1920s, tall things to climb. 1980s to 1990s, wooden castles to climb. Today, playgrounds with colorful things made of plastic. This is a picture of a playground in 1912. Blast off! This rocket slide is from the 1960s. Now, boys and girls, get your pencil. We are going to answer some questions. Pause the video while you mark your answers. You can also rewind to re-listen to the questions. Sam and his mom went on a walk to the playground. Look at the map and compass rose. Then answer the questions. So boys and girls, here's the compass rose. And this direction going towards the ceiling is north. The opposite going towards the floor is the south. Over here going to the right is east. And going towards the left is west. Here's Sam's house. First, they went to the pizza shop. Draw their path. So with your pencil, draw a path from Sam's house to the pizza shop. Here's the grocery store, the post office, Riley's house, a playground, school, and the pizza shop. Draw down a street. See these gray things? Those are the streets. So draw a path from Sam's house to the pizza shop. In which direction did they walk? Is the direction they walk north or south? And color in the bubble. Then they went to school. Draw their path. So they went from Sam's house to the pizza shop, then to the school. So you need to continue their path along the road. In which direction did they walk from the pizza shop to school? Did they walk east or west? Check out the compass rose. Which way did they go? Color in the bubble. 3. Next, they went to Riley's house. Draw their path. In which direction did they walk? North or south? After that, they went to the playground. Draw their path. In which direction did they walk? So they went from Riley's house to the playground. Did they go north or, did they go east or did they go west? 5. Last, they went home. Draw one path they could have taken, because there is more than one. Draw one path to get from the playground back to Sam's house. Remember, you have to go along the roads. Please put your Scholastic News in the finished work bin when you are done.
What changes over time? Imagine if 150 years ago, the horses galloped to get the firefighters there as fast as they could. Now we have fire trucks powered by engines. They can race down the street and get to an emergency much faster.